Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So y'all, this is gonna be a grocery haul. Okay, many of y'all have left comments saying how y'all love my grocery hauls, so y'all gonna really love this one. So I ordered some stuff from different stores, but I'm only doing one store in this video. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Look at this, y'all, a whole lot of goodies. Okay, so this really starts the healthy eating, getting that iron and stuff up, and just healthy eating in general. Okay, so right here I bought 2 young chickens. Okay, this one right here, now I did curbside pickup, okay, for this store. This store is Food Line. Okay, I did curbside pickup, so I got I put in the thing a 5-pound chicken, and they try to get close to it as possible. So this $5.27, and I paid $7.85 for it. So 5 pounds and 27 ounces, and I paid $7.85 for it. And then this one right here was 6 pounds 14 ounces, different brand, and it's $9.15. The only reason why I did different brands because I wasn't sure how it was going to work with me, because every time I tried to put like 2, it wouldn't let me do it. It would just increase the pounds. So I think that's what it is, increase the pounds, and they get you however many close to that pound. But I didn't want one big 10-pound chicken. Okay, right here got some sweet potatoes because they was on sale, so I got 3 packs of those. I think they was like $2.99 or either $3.99, but I got 4 packs of them. Okay, and the reason why I did that is because it's curbside pickup. I didn't want to do the other ones, the loose ones, and put in there, you know, 3 pounds, and I only get 3 potatoes because they done gave me the big ones. Okay, got some sandwich meat, ham and turkey kit. Got 10 things of sardines because this is a good source of iron and protein, but mainly iron. I got some carrots because I got something I gotta do with these. Some sun-dried raisins. They are high in iron. As I'm doing this video, I already had me a nice cup of beet juice, organic beet juice. But yeah, got 2 packs of raisins. Y'all know I always stock up on my boiled peanuts. Got 6 more cans. Got some cranberry. I don't know, I may do some dressing. Yes, like I told you, I do dressing year round, or I may just go with a meal. Okay, but that's jelly cranberry sauce. I got some molasses because it is good source of iron. 3 things of bread. Y'all know I'm always keeping bread on hand until I can start back making mine. Got 2 bags of pumpkin seeds. They are high in iron. Well, good source of iron. I already got a lot of oatmeal here, so I got some cream of wheat. Very high in iron. And I wanted to try this cream of rice. Y'all let me know in the comments if you then try cream of rice. I see they got peaches in it. Well, they got peaches over the top of theirs in this for this picture. Okay, but let me know if you know. I've never had cream of rice. I've never had cream of wheat. Okay, I thought I was getting 2 single beets, and it was actually bundles. So I have like 3 in here and 2 in here. So yeah, a lot of beets. Ended up getting 6 bags of rice. I got potatoes. I wanted the bite-sized potatoes, but they didn't have them, so they refunded those and replaced them with these. I got some apples, and I got the kids 2 boxes of the 20 bags of chips. Trying to think if that's everything. I hope I pulled everything out because, like I said, I had multiple stores. Oh, and I'm keeping eggs on deck because that's another good source of iron. So they was $5, $4.99 for a 30 pack. So I got 2. All right, I already got eggs here, but hey, we eat a lot of eggs, and when you got 5 people in the house that eat eggs, they go quick. Okay, they go quick. So y'all let me know in the comment section if there's anything that I buy starting out in my grocery hauls that you buy. I am interested to know, is there any things that I buy in my grocery hauls that you buy, okay? If you got any ideas, any suggestions or anything like that, put them in the comment section, okay? Put them in the comment section. But this is what I picked up, got at Food Line. Now let me see. Oh, I'm missing watermelon. They didn't have any watermelon. I wanted some watermelon. So that's a good source of vitamin C to help absorb the iron food, okay? But I have to get that from somewhere else. Let me know what y'all think. I ended up paying, it came up to like $115. No, $145. So you take off the watermelon, okay? So it was a little lower. But I think that was all that they wasn't able to get. I think so. So yeah, y'all. So I mean, let me know in the comment section if y'all buy any of this stuff that you see that I picked up. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of this little grocery haul. Not long at all. So yeah, I'll be expecting y'all comments in the comment section. I hope y'all stay safe, and I will see you in the next one if it's God's will. Mwah. Bye.